Opinion: Ukraine's FPV drone offensive in Russia. India's preparedness. On June 1, 2025, Ukraine unveiled a potentially revolutionary tactic in modern warfare, launching 117 first-person view FPV drones against Russia. This meticulously planned operation, dubbed Spider's Web, targeted strategically selected Russian air bases, inflicting significant damage on valuable Russian Air Force assets. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky hailed the operation as absolutely brilliant. While the extent of Russian losses remains contested, Zelensky stated that of the 41 damaged aircraft, half were beyond repair. Russian Deputy Foreign Minister Sergei Ryabkov acknowledged damage but insisted the aircraft could be restored. U.S. assessments indicated up to 20 Russian warplanes were struck, with approximately 10 destroyed. Justin Bronk, senior research fellow at the Royal United Services Institute RUSI, estimated 12 strategic bombers, including A295S and 4222S, were destroyed, with several others likely damaged. The attack, a remarkable demonstration of capability, targeted at least 4 Russian military air bases, the furthest being Belaya base in Irkutsk, Siberia, approximately 4,850 kilometers from Kiev. Following the attacks, Russian officials indicated military responses were being considered and accused the West of involvement in this unprecedented offensive. Ukraine has consistently utilized long-range drones throughout the conflict, striking targets deep within Russia, including oil refineries, military bases, and arms depots. However, limitations in range made these drones vulnerable to Russian air defenses. The June 1 offensive employed a different approach: smaller, cheaper kamikaze drones launched from nearby locations, capitalizing on the element of surprise to overcome Russian defenses. According to Ukraine's security service, the SBU, the drones were smuggled into Russia by its agents and hidden within the roof spaces of wooden sheds. Images shared by the Ukrainian authorities showed approximately 20 quadcopter drones concealed in wooden compartments beneath the roof. Reuters verified video footage showed the roof of at least one shed being retracted to allow the drones to launch. On the day of the strike, a hidden mechanism opened the shed's roofs, exposing the FPV drone launch platforms and enabling takeoff. Hundreds of FPV drones then targeted dozens of Russian aircraft on the ground. An FPV drone provides the pilot with a live video feed from an onboard camera, displayed on goggles or a screen, creating a pilot's view. This enhances control and navigation, particularly in challenging environments. An live video feed: a camera streams live video to the pilot. Pilot's perspective: the pilot sees what the drone sees. Enhanced control: the live feed enables precise and responsive control. Applications: FPV drones are used in racing, cinematography, aerial photography, military applications, and agricultural surveying. Nan camera: a high-definition camera is mounted on the drone. Transmitter: the camera transmits the video signal wirelessly. Receiver and display: the receiver displays the signal on a monitor or goggles. Control: the pilot controls the drone with a remote controller. Nan precise control: FPV allows for intuitive and precise maneuvers. Enhanced awareness: the live feed provides superior situational awareness. Improved navigation: FPV aids navigation in complex environments. Professional grade imagery: FPV drones can capture high quality video and photos. Various applications: FPV drones have diverse applications across various fields. Nan FPV drones range from small racing models to larger cinematic drones. Payload bearing capacity of FPV drones: FPV and racing drones prioritize speed and agility, limiting their payload capacity to lightweight components like the FPV camera and occasionally a small action camera. Their payload capacity typically ranges from 0.2 to 2 kilograms. Larger, long-range, or cinematic FPV drones can handle slightly more weight, but generally remain within the 12 kilograms range. Hobbyist and consumer drones have a broader payload capacity, often from 0.2 grams to 2 kilograms, allowing them to carry larger cameras and payloads. This explains the necessity of deploying 117 FPV drones in the Ukrainian operation. And the success of the Ukrainian operation raises questions about how Ukrainian agents acquired Russian trucks, modified them for drone deployment, transported them undetected across vast distances to secure Russian air bases, and executed the attack with such precision. The involvement of a drone pilot, either on-site or remotely controlling the drones via a live video feed, further adds to the intrigue. How Ukrainian agents infiltrated deep inside Russia, bypassed security measures, and remained undetected remains a significant question. And on June 19, 2025, drone swarms were reportedly sighted over sensitive installations in Kolkata, appearing from Bihala and Mahestala before disappearing northward towards Fort William, the Eastern Army headquarters, the D-42 skyscraper, and the Kolkata port areas. The capabilities displayed suggest these were not simple toy drones. Subsequent sightings over the Sundarban Island, Nepal, and various locations in North Bengal and along the Bangladesh border raise further concerns, particularly given the presence of terrorist groups in the region. These drones have the potential to carry payloads, including bombs, and China is considered a potential suspect. High-altitude airships, capable of carrying payloads and difficult to detect, also pose a threat. India must take cognizance of the situation and take precautionary measures as population density per square kilometre across India and Radcliffe Line is high. And the Indian Army has successfully developed and tested a first-person view FPV kamikaze drone equipped with anti-tank munitions. It is a low-cost, first-person view FPV drone equipped with impact-based anti-tank munitions, developed for kamikaze-style tactical warfare. Developed by the Indian Army's Fleur-de-Lys Brigade, in collaboration with the Defense Research and Development Organization's DRDO Terminal Ballistics Research Laboratory (TBRL), Chandigarh. Aim to enhance India's capabilities in modern drone warfare through indigenous, cost-effective, and precision strike systems. Nanan first-person view control operated using FPV goggles that stream live visuals, providing real-time battlefield awareness and control. Kamikaze strike role acts as a single-use drone carrying impact explosive payloads designed to destroy armored targets such as tanks. In-house fabrication assembled at the Rising Star Drone Battle School, with over 100 units fabricated by March 2025 for training and trials. Nanan prevents accidental detonation. The payload can only be activated via the pilot's radio controller under controlled conditions. Real-time feedback relay live status updates of the payload are visible through the FPV interface for safe and accurate deployment. Technical optimization focus on weight balance, flight stability, and maneuverability for effective tactical deployment. Low-cost innovation estimated cost of 1.4 rupees lakh per drone, with 5 inducted and 95 more being procured. Nanan anti-tank missions effective against armored targets in tactical zones. Urban warfare can fly through narrow spaces with precision control in high-risk terrain. Operations remote strike capability reduces soldier casualties. Surveillance and target elimination offers both eye-infesky and direct kill capabilities. Swipe left for next video source. NIER Yagosh is a national safety, security, aviation, and avionics analyst. Views expressed in the above piece are personal and solely that of the author. They do not necessarily reflect News 18's views. Latest blogs.